Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular microphones, the Aokeo USB condenser microphone and the Mini Microphone. We'll be reviewing these microphones in different categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. When it comes to sound quality, both microphones perform exceptionally well. The Aokeo USB condenser microphone features a 192 kHz, 24-bit professional condenser microphone chip that delivers clear and smooth voice recordings, suitable for games, podcasts, and studio recordings. On the other hand, the Mini Microphone offers omnidirectional pickup patterns, capturing sound from all directions with high sensitivity. Both microphones offer impressive sound quality, but the Aokeo USB condenser microphone has an edge with its professional-grade microphone chip. When it comes to ease of use, the Mini Microphone takes the lead. It features a simple plug-and-play functionality with its 3.5mm jack, requiring no additional drivers or batteries. Just connect it to your device, and you're good to go. The Aokeo USB condenser microphone offers a similar plug-and-play functionality but with different USB cables for compatibility with various devices. However, the simplicity and compatibility of the Mini Microphone make it more convenient and user-friendly. If portability is a priority for you, the Mini Microphone takes the cake. It is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 0.65 ounces, and its compact size makes it easy to carry in your pocket, wallet, or bag. The Aokeo USB condenser microphone, although portable, comes with an additional microphone isolation shield, making it slightly bulkier. The Mini Microphone's small size and clip-on design make it the perfect on-the-go companion for recording anywhere, anytime. Let's talk about the prices of these microphones. The Aokeo USB condenser microphone is priced at $69, offering a professional-grade microphone experience. On the other hand, the Mini Microphone comes at a pocket-friendly price of $12, making it a more budget-friendly option. Both microphones provide excellent value for their respective price points, but if you're looking for an affordable option without compromising much on performance, the Mini Microphone is a great choice. And that's a wrap. We've compared the Aokeo USB condenser microphone and the Mini Microphone in various categories. Overall, both microphones offer impressive features and performance. If you're looking for professional-grade sound quality and versatile recording options, go for the Aokeo USB condenser microphone. However, if you prioritize ease of use, portability, and affordability, the Mini Microphone is an excellent choice. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.